Welcome back, children. So let's continue the next part of this chapter, Albert Einstein at School by Patrick Pringle. In the last video module, we have learnt Albert Einstein when he discussed this matter that not interested in school or not possible to complete diploma, study all these things. Elsa, his cousin, tried to persuade him, convince him that if you tried, you can get through. So many children that I have seen that who are more foolish than you, that who get through. So after that, then the discussion about a book which he was reading at that time, especially holding under his arm. That book was of geology. When she asked that, do you like? He said, yes, I like science. But he said that hardly the science is taught at school. Then after that, the writer says, Patrick Pringle, apart from science, Albert Einstein, that he was interested in music, and regularly that he used to play violin until the landlady asked him to stop. So the landlady specially used to say him, Albert Einstein, the landlady, that wailing gets on my nerves. That wailing means which wailing? And that is enough for me, she used to say. The wailing of her children, the way that they used to wail, howling of the children. So that wailing was enough for me. On my wailing gets on my nerves, she said to Albert Einstein. Whenever that he started playing violin, asking to stop. That time, Albert Einstein, that he tempted to say that it is only because of you. It means it was you or she who made them to howl. Them means to the children. It means you are responsible. That landlady was responsible for that. She wanted to say or point out to the lady, but that he decided it is better to say nothing. He tempted to say, but later on that he decided to say nothing. So one day that it means he told Yuri that I must get away from it. Who said? Albert Einstein told Yuri that I must get away from it. Because why? That otherwise, if I continue in the same way, if I should go on like this, there will be no use at all. After 6 months, what will happen? It will turn out that after 6 months that I have been wasting my father's money and plus everyone's time. If I continue in the same manner here in this school at this place, the result would be that I have been wasting my father's money and everyone's time. That would be the reason. So that is why it is better now to stop. It is better to stop now, he told Yuri. So that time Yuri asked him, so what will you do then? Where are you going to plan? What will you go? Then he said that I don't know. If I go to Milan, 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 the city. If I go to Milan, I know that my father would say to go back unless you had complete your diploma. That the thought came. But then once again his eyes, something that the thought came in mind, that idea that he thought over the idea, and he said, suddenly his eyes gleamed with a sudden idea and said, he asked Yuri. What did he ask Yuri? Albert Einstein, that do you know any friendly doctors? Einstein asked Yuri, do you know any friendly doctors? Yuri replied, yes, I know a lot of medical students. But once again he said that, and some of them are friendly. But once again he said that, Yuri said that, but what would happen here? Then Yuri said, yes, but I have never had enough money to go to one who said, Yuri said to Albert Einstein, yes, I have so many friendly students, medical students, but it means he misunderstood. And Yuri said that, but I have never had it means enough money to go to one. It means go to the doctors. And once again that he asked, but why are you asking? Why? Then Albert Einstein said, suppose, said Albert, that I had a nervous breakdown. I had a nervous breakdown. Suppose a doctor would say, what did he say? Then Albert Einstein that he narrated his plan, that he told his plan. Suppose if the doctor would give me the certificate that I had a nervous breakdown, so that would be definitely work. If the doctor is giving such a certificate to me, and if he would certify me that it is bad for me to go to school, and I need to get right away from it, from this school environment. If the doctor is giving in his certificate that I had a nervous breakdown, it is bad for me to go to school anymore, and I need to get right away from it. So that's it then. It will work. Then he said, it means he was asking a medical certificate from the doctor, so that is why. Then Yuri said, but I don't think so. It means I can't imagine a doctor saying that. Yuri said, I can't imagine. But Albert Einstein said that I must try. He said that to find a doctor what kind of the doctor? To find a doctor who specializes in nerves. I must try. Then Yuri said, okay, that for example, there are plenty of them. Yuri replied, told him, but he hesitated for a moment. And later on he said, then he added, reluctantly that he added. What is meant by reluctantly? In your book, the word is given reluctant, it means unwilling. Reluctantly means unwillingly, that he added that I will ask some of my students if they know one. But I have a doubt, if you like, I would ask them. So Albert Einstein said, yes, welcome that you please ask them. Yes, you can. So, but Yuri said, but I have a doubt whether that they will be ready to help you or not. Am I clear? When Yuri said that I have many friends, medical students, I will ask them if they know one or something. That time he became happy. Albert Einstein, his eyes were shining. But once again Yuri, that he asked him, or he told him that I have a doubt whether the doctor, if I find one, whether he will be willing to help you or not. I have a doubt. Because you are not going through nervous breakdown in reality. That time Albert Einstein said that don't worry about that. I am going to have a real nervous breakdown. Who said? Albert Einstein said. When he expressed his doubt, Yuri, that time Einstein said, don't worry about that. Soon what will happen very soon, that I am going to have a real nervous breakdown to make it easier for him. He means to the doctor, to make it easier for him. Then Yuri said, but I don't think that I have never seen you looking less nervous. Yuri said, he remarked that time Albert Einstein, once again that he said, a day or two, enough for that. A day or two, you will see, or you could see the result within a day or two then. So then I really shall have a nervous breakdown just within 1 or 2 days. And the same result when Yuri, when he met next time to Albert Einstein, that he saw the changes. What kind of the changes? He thought that really Albert had a nervous breakdown when he saw him next time. Right? So in this way, this part In this part we have discussed about especially the discussion between these two friends, Albert Einstein and Yuri, about this nervous breakdown, landlady, all these things, right? So rest of the part that we will continue now in the next video module. So that's all from me. Thank you and have a good day.